Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. If your iPhone screen is zoomed in and you can't tap anything, don't worry, your iPhone isn't broken. In this video, I will show you how to fix an iPhone stuck in zoom mode in seconds. First of all, you need to exit the zoom mode. Start by placing 3 fingers on the screen, then double tap quickly with all 3 fingers. The screen will instantly return to normal. Make sure it's 3 fingers, not 1 or 2. If the gesture does not work the first time, keep trying until the screen is fixed. To avoid this happening again, it is recommended that you turn off the zoom feature. You can easily do this by following these steps. Start by launching the Settings app. Here, tap on Accessibility, and then from the next screen, tap on Zoom. Here, you have to turn off the toggle for zoom. This will turn off the zoom feature entirely and will prevent your iPhone from getting stuck in zoom mode again. And that's how you fix an iPhone stuck in zoom mode. No repair needed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.